If you are looking for an automated income with low time investment and little maintenance, then let me show you a business system that I use to generate over $250,000 yearly. So let's just cut to the chase here. Now the secret is selling online courses on marketplaces such as Udemy and Skillshare. And it's way easier than you may think. Udemy is a marketplace, just like Amazon is, but with a ready-to-buy audience of online courses. And the magic here is that Udemy will do all the marketing and selling for you for free. Unlike regular businesses that comes with huge costs and low profit margins and 60 hours plus work weeks, creating online courses is a risk-free activity that you can do on your weekends. And the best part is that you don't need to be an expert or have any type of pre-knowledge before you're starting doing this. So what's the catch, right? Now the problem here is that most people aren't making any money on Udemy because of these two reasons. First, they don't know what topics that people are willing to pay money for. And second, they don't have a system that shows them how to rank in Udemy's search engine. So let's just start off by solving problem number one right now. Here are all the profitable course topics on Udemy that makes money. Development, IT and software, office productivity, personal development, design, business, finance and accounting, marketing, lifestyle, teaching and academics, photography and video, and finally, music. And remember, you don't need any pre-knowledge about these subjects before teaching them. You just need to become a student yourself first and applying our learn and teach method. For problem number 2, we got a 45-minute totally free training in the description box down below that will show you the entire system on how to make money online. So just click in the description box down below on that link to join the free training. It's completely free to join. So if you enjoy learning, why not just create an online business system that will make you money while you are sleeping? With other words, a passive income. If you would like to stay here, you can click on this video here to see the next video on our channel, or you can go down in the description box down below, click that link, enter your email address, and you're inside the 45-minute free training on how you can create an online business that can generate you automated income. In other words, a passive income. Your decision, the video or the free training in the description box.